It is Sunday night, and like most people, you're feeling a little down that the weekend is over, that tomorrow is a start to another work week. 5 long days, the start of another week of hustling, completing tasks, interacting with coworkers you much rather not be around. More deadlines, another conversation with your manager. And if you work with customers, more interactions with people who are not necessarily the friendliest and in some cases downright mean. Why couldn't the work week and the weekend be switched? Your life would be so much better working 2 days a week and off 5. Your weekend in the comfort of your home with no work distractions has been so relaxing. And your weekend surrounded by family rejuvenating, and you've put things into perspective on why you do what you do. Now it's time to wrap up all things about the weekend until next weekend. It seems so far away, but don't fuss, my friend. It is gonna be okay. At the conclusion of this guided meditation, you're going to have a change in mindset as you set out on your work week. You will have a new sense of inspiration and clarity for your job. You see, it's all about changing your mindset and manifesting the week that you will have. We are going to visualize this amazing week we are about to have. What I want you to do first is find a comfortable position to relax your body. This can be seated or just laying down on your bed. Slowly close your eyes. Once you're comfortable, let's start our deep breathing. Breathe in, breathe out. With each breath, you want to slip into a deeper state of relaxation. Take away any thoughts of work, money issues, social issues, or anything else that causes you worry. Breathe out deeply for 5 times. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. For the next 10 minutes, let go of all your preconceived notions of how your week is going to go. Just let go. Visualize yourself waking up tomorrow morning, ready to begin not only a productive day, but a productive week. Play this out in your head. Your alarm rings early. You have rested for at least 8 hours. So you're refreshed and ready to go. You take your first 15 minutes to start your morning routine. That can be saying a prayer, reading a book, stretching, or if you're bad like me, you're checking social media. Whatever that is, it is your routine. It is something that takes you from a deep sleep to the land of the wake. It is your first transition into the day. After that, you awake and you get ready to start your day. You shower, brush your teeth, get breakfast, slip into your work clothes, get the kids together, all in time. You are on time. Everyone is all set. You're not rushing to start work. You have your coffee or tea in hand, and you are ready. You drive into work or log on if you're working virtually, and you're ready to start your day. 15 minutes before your workday actually begins, you are going to write down your top 3 things that you're going to accomplish for the day. These things are going to be accomplished. Now that you have a plan on how you're going to tackle the day, you are ready to start. Now take the next 1 minute. Relax. Let your body relax in this moment and take all of that in. Let it soak in. Actually visualize the start of your day in your mind. Live it, breathe it, picture it. You see, really visualizing something will subconsciously force you to live it. You will begin to program your body and your actions to make steps towards accomplishing what you visualize. You are visualizing something that you want. You want it so bad you can touch it, but you have to visualize it first. You have to yearn for it. You see, it may sound silly that you're making such a big deal about how your Monday morning will go. Research has shown that a solid morning routine will lead to more productivity with less stress. If you start off your day on the right foot, the rest of the day will be golden most of the times. In order to be successful in your career, you must establish a solid morning routine. It needs to be structured and timed. However, don't beat yourself up if it's not perfect, and you may deviate from it sometimes. Tomorrow is Monday. We know that Monday is not the first day of the week, but it's the first day of most work weeks. Look at it as a new beginning. What do we know about new beginnings? Let's look at some famous quotes on new beginnings. Failure is the opportunity to begin again more intelligently. Henry Ford. No river can return to its source, yet all rivers must have a beginning. American Indian proverb. It's never too late to become who you want to be. I hope you live a life that you're proud of. And if you find that you're not, I hope you have the strength to start over. F. Scott Fitzgerald. Take the first step in faith. You don't have to see the whole staircase. Just take the first step. Martin Luther King Jr. I realize there's something incredibly honest about trees in the winter. how they're experts at letting things go. Jeffrey McDaniel. Tomorrow is your new beginning. You are here because you're serious about your career. The job that you are in may not be the perfect job for you. It may not be your dream job, but is what you have at the moment. It is what is paying the bills. With anything that you do, you want to do your best at it. If you're an executive or you are a drive-through operator at McDonald's, know that tomorrow will be the best day ever. You're going to put in 100% of your effort into doing the best job that you can do. You are going to walk into work tomorrow with a special pep in your step. Your coworkers are going to wonder what got into you today. You see, your destiny has already been carved out and decided on. You may not understand why it's taking so long. What you do have control over is your actions right now. You have to decide if you're going to stumble through life miserable because you don't like your job, or if you're going to take the steps to change your situation. My friend, visualizing your dream job and manifesting will help. You just have to take it one day at a time. You may have co-workers and worse, your boss that may be causing you stress. Say this in your head. Tomorrow, I'm not going to let anyone decide my destiny. I am going to take control of my feelings, emotions, mood, and life. I'm going to have a great day. My friend, don't let one person at work dictate your being. You got this. Repeat these words. I am strong. I am fierce. I am tough. I am smart. And I'm hardworking. Repeat. I am strong. I am fierce. I am tough. I am smart. And I am hardworking. Now for the next few minutes, you are going to sit and meditate. Close your eyes and begin to breathe. You are going to visualize your perfect day from start to finish. You are going to look at yourself, your confident self tomorrow that is on the right path to success. I'm going to ring a bell. Continue the meditation until you hear me ring the bell again. slowly open your eyes and release. Release the worries, release the anxiety about your work week, about the start of your day tomorrow. Remember, it's a new beginning, and you've got this. I wish you luck on your work week. Thanks for listening to this meditation. Bye for now.